Welcome to our channel. We're Marcus and Patrizia, and in 2023 we decided to take time off to travel full-time for 3 months. From the bustling streets of Asia to the vibrant landscapes of South America, join us on this incredible journey as we discover the world and capture these moments to share with you. As our passion for travel continues, you will always find us somewhere on the map. This morning we've arrived to the Mekong area. We're going for a Mekong Delta tour, the river, and this is just the rest stop, but we've taken some pictures. It's really nice. I have a fun itinerary planned. Heading back to the bus now. You excited?
Yep, so we've just decided to do a day trip because apparently the whole Mekong Delta region is about 40,000 kilometers squared. So that's about the size of Switzerland, so you can't do all of that, but we're gonna just see, I guess, the outskirts of it, the closest part to us.
This is one of the most the more jungly region, and honestly one of the most prettiest bus stops that I've seen.
Yeah, definitely. So right now we have reached a stop just before the Mekong Delta, and this is a Buddhist temple. I believe it's the oldest one in the area. And here I think the most popular or the coolest thing about it is that you have 3 huge statues of Buddha. One represents the past, future and present. So the standing one is the present one, the sleeping one is the past one, and the big, happy, lucky Buddha is the future one. We always thought that he's big because he's happy, he gets to eat what he wants. Actually, he's containing all the sorrows of humans around him, and he creates a happy environment, which is quite an interesting thing to learn.
So the one standing up, the reason it's in a different area behind the gate of where we just were, where the sleeping and the laughing one was, is because this one is already in heaven, not on earth. Really interesting to learn.
Yep, how about you, John? And Patrizia is holding the bees. Wow.
Now I'll be trying some honey tea from this local area with there's ginger and banana. What did you have?
I just had a dried banana, I think.
Is it good?
Very good, yeah. Oh, I think this is what my mum always eats.
Very nice. They're like honey covered, I think.
Wow. Very comforting.
Yeah, it's got pollen in it, honey, lime. So another part of this tour was to try some fruit.
So now we're trying 5 different fruits here, and they're going to be in the order of from the least sweet to the sweetest. So I guess you can appreciate the sweetness. Start with the pomelo, which is the least, then the dragon fruit, then the rambutan, and then watermelon, and then locan fruit. This is supposed to be the sweetest. I've never tried this before.
And we have some chili salt.
I've never had chili salt with fruit, so it's time. Spicy, it's good.
Yeah.
But it's good. Next we try the dragon fruit.
This one less.
Rambutan, very similar to lychee once you peel it. Very similar to lychee, it's nice. A bit more sour, I think. Of course we've tried watermelon before, but never with chili salt. Up to the sky.
Would you prefer it without?
I prefer it without, but it's really nice to try. And this is supposed to be the final fruit. I'm surprised when you peel it open, it's also like a lychee. I think it's also got a pip in the middle. Very, very slight taste similar to coconut, but it is sweet. Texture is similar to lychee and the bamboo, where it's like jelly and a hard pip in the middle.
We've come to another island now, this coconut island. We'll try some coconut candy. There's a family that grows coconuts here.
300 years they've been doing this.
Yeah,
so.
the coconut palm trees here are very short. Yeah, never seen like that before. So we just tried the coconut candy. Someone described it like it tastes like nougat. Don't you think that's right? It's really chewy.
Wasn't expecting that.
But it's actually really nice. It's like a perfect coconut flavour, not too much, and it's not too sweet. It's really nice. That here is an avocado apparently. Now I've been taken for lunch. I've got it all set up on the table already. These are some fried spring rolls. Then we've got a fish, some steamed rice. So this is the highlight. We're on the boat.
We're on the Mekong River now.
Like it's a 15-20 minute
It's
ride.
like something out of a movie, like Jurassic Park or something.
It's so beautiful. So peaceful here, and we've seen like quite a few little lizards or some sort of frog. Nice.
Nice.